Hi everyone, Simon here. I'm a professional trader with an 88.7% win rate. Today, I'm gonna share a great strategy that's ideal even for beginners in trading. Watch this video till the end to learn how to identify the optimal entry points to enter a trade and get stunning results. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already got the platform fired up. I even withdrawn all the funds to show you how I trade with a small initial amount. So I'll breeze through the settings real quick and then we'll jump right into trading. I've got 20 for investment. Yeah, I know it's a very small deposit, but that's exactly the kind of amount I usually use to test strategies, and I recommend you do the same. Trade duration is gonna be 1 minute. Let's set the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. The currency pairs I'm gonna with today are the Australian and the Canadian dollar, the Australian and the US dollar, the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc, and the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. All with the maximum percentage 92. Now let's move on to the first pair and add the indicators MACD and stochastic. Awesome. This is a combination of top quality indicators. Why? I'll explain that in detail towards the end of the session once you've seen them in action. Now for the MACD, let's set the fast period to 15, slow period 27, signal period 10. And we'll tweak the styles to make the lines thicker and each indicator a different color for better visibility. And for the stochastic styles parameters, we'll make all the lines thicker and choose brighter colors for the main lines so they're super clear and visible. Guys, if you want to increase your income through trading, I'm inviting you to my exclusive Telegram community. There you'll find everything you need to start your journey and discover new opportunities, even if you're a complete beginner and have never heard of all these before. And just to be clear, I'm not selling you any courses here. I host live trading sessions where I share my trading decisions in real time. Yes, it's that simple. Access to my channel is free for now, and I highly recommend that you go to the description under this video, click the link and subscribe to my channel. Yes, pause this video right now, do it, and then continue watching. Because if you don't, we might just lose track of each other on YouTube and you may never come across my content again. I'm waiting for you. Now let's start trading. The first pair on the list is the Canadian dollar and the yen. And I'm diving into a downside trade. The chart is showing slow movements that indicates a formed peak and a gradual downward trend. Both indicators are backing up my prediction. Alright, the trade closed near the entry point, which is risk when trading in a sluggish market, but still I came out on top. Why? Because I'm working with the most lucrative type of trading. The key here is accurately forecasting price movements over a specific time frame, which I nailed. Moving on to the Canadian dollar and the franc. I'm bumping up the investment to 38. Let's go for higher. I entered the trade after a strong bearish push, anticipating a rebound, plus the stochastic lines started dipping into the oversold zone. This is how I prefer to close trades. The deposit is now up to 73, which is great news. Let's keep it rolling. Now it's the Australian and the American's turn. I'm bumping up the investment and going for the fall. The asset hit its peak and started to reverse its trend. Stochastic indicators are also sharply declining, signaling a continuation of the downward trend. I've discussed similar market scenarios with my Telegram subscribers recently. They know to keep an eye on how the chart behaves near the resistance zone and how the stochastic indicates bullish support. Another great trade, things are looking up. Let's continue. The Australian and the Canadian are showing mixed signals on the chart. I'll skip it and head straight to the Canadian dollar and yen. Investing 140 for growth. Stochastic is almost touching the 30 mark and there's a significant bearish trend. It makes sense to expect a rebound. To learn how to effectively identify entry points like me, join my Telegram channel. In it, I reveal all the nitty-gritty of technical analysis. I also host daily live training sessions and demonstrate how the material you've learned works in practice. And the best part, it's all free. Just copy my actions and get results. Just click on the link in the description under the video and in the first pinned message, and shoot me a private message. See you on Telegram. Meanwhile, the trade has closed and I increased my deposit again. Amazing. Canadian dollar and franc again. I'm changing the amount. Let's press lower. In this situation, it was evident that a sharp downward movement of prices would follow. Firstly, the powerful bullish momentum continued for a long time without rebounds. Secondly, the stochastic lines remained sideways while the price was rising. So this chart behavior was entirely expected. We've got 516. That was, I call, the result of competent technical analysis. Let's move on. Back to the Australian and American dollar. I'm investing the entire amount and going bearish. The bulls attempted to overcome the resistance level for the second time but failed. This gave the bears the upper hand. This is also evident from the sharp drop in indicators and the decline in MACD. By the way, right now, while we are analyzing the chart, my channel subscribers are making more than 700 in a single day. If you want in, the link is waiting for you in the description. Another trade closed with confidence. Moments like this remind me why I chose to dedicate my life to trading. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. Now I'm investing the maximum possible amounts, 991, and pressing the low button. I'm hoping the situation with the asset will improve. Currently, buyers failed to break through the resistance level, but they have not fully given it up to the sellers yet. Indicators suggest the bull's strength is waning, so I'm expecting a decline. My prediction was spot on again. Although we closed the deal near the entry point, the most important thing with this platform is accurately predicting price movement. We benefit not from the difference between buy and sell. We benefit if we make the right choice between higher and lower. Thanks to my background, I made the right choice. Alright, let's move on to the final deal. Now, Canadian dollar and yen. I'm going all in with a maximum investment of 1,000. Pressing the lower button. The asset is going through a strong bullish rebound, but it's only temporary. There's a bearish response coming soon and it will drive the price back down. Another spot on call. Today my deposit sits at 2,823. which I think proves how efficient this strategy is. So use it, trade with it, and achieve great results. Alright, let's be honest. You just spent time watching this video, and now you have two options. Close this tab, forget everything you just learned, and continue living as you did before, or finally take action and do something that could open new doors for you. My Telegram channel is not just another random chat, it's a community of people who are ready for change. There I share everything I know, daily practical insights in real time, my trading strategies I've been using for years, a community of 16,000 like-minded people, all with one goal: achieve financial independence. And this is just the beginning. If you are serious about making a difference, stop putting it off. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and subscribe now. From this moment on, your life can take a new direction. The choice is yours.